PyCharm is an integrated development environment. This means that it should put together a lot of the features that you need in your day-to-day activity. One of these features is running a program from the terminal, maybe even a command such as ping or ls or whatever you would need. So let's see how these can be achieved with PyCharm. Let's say you have this code, right? Whatever this code does, at some point you want to look at the files in a directory. Press Alt F12, and the nice thing is that it opens a terminal with whatever virtual environment you have for the project is already activated, which is nice. And then run typical commands. Or maybe you need to simply ping some server or whatever command you need to run, even something like midnight commander to do more fun stuff. In addition to having a pretty much functional terminal here, if you press escape, then the focus moves to the code editor so that you can keep on modifying your source code. Press Alt F12, the focus goes back to the terminal. Press it to get access to the terminal. Press it again to hide it. I find myself using the terminal from within PyCharm a bit more often. I also keep, when developing, I also have a separate terminal, but I really like the option of having the integrated terminal from within PyCharm. The idea is not to replace whatever system terminal you might have on the machine, of course. But if you need to run a command, keep your focus on the program you're working with. In our case, PyCharm, instead of switching back and forth, which is always this kind of small switches are sort of a cost. So having things in place has a lot of usefulness. Bottom line, this feature is definitely helpful. And the point is not to replace the system terminal. Another nice thing is that it automatically opens the virtual environment for your project. For example, if I run which Python, it indicates the Python executable for this virtual environment. This is quite handy as well. And from here, you can run directly pip install whatever new package you might need. All right. I hope this was helpful to you. Leave a comment below, like, dislike, or comment. Thank you.